welcome to this channel. I'm your instructor, Grievin. So in this channel, we'll be talking about everything Python programming, data science, machine learning, and AI. So not only that, we'll also be covering a broad spectrum of interviews with guys in tech, both students and professionals, just so to keep you updated and to keep you upbeat with the current trends in the market. So I'll also be giving a few tips and tricks on Python programming, and for guys in tech, I'll also be covering sessions on soft skills. So if you're looking for a one-stop channel for all of that blended in one, then this is the right place, my friend. Hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification icon to be receiving my videos on a weekly basis. And with that said, I'll see you guys on the other side.